Well, good afternoon. Today the UPS man brought this package from Amazon. Looks like Amazon's drivers are too busy. And let's see what we have inside it. All going well. It should be a new Amazon Alexa Echo Show with the massive 15-inch screen.
From today. For earlier ones,
go
to the Alexa app.
Thank you. Okay, going to have to be careful about what I say. Well, here's the box. I guess this is the break the shrink wrapper equivalent. Quite nicely packaged, isn't it? In this cardboard box. Nice printing on every side. But what you and I both want to see is what's inside it. Go away, dog. Ah, can you see that? That looks to be just what I was hoping for. What else have we got in the box? A mounting frame. Hello. Most important, power supply, some screws, a mounting template, important information, which means please don't sue us. And we have nothing more underneath. Nope, that seems to be all. So let's get these out of the way and turn to the main star of the piece, the Echo Show itself. Let's open it up out of its protective covering. And here we are. On the top we have a physical button which slides over the camera. Can you see that? Slides over the camera. And we've got 3 more buttons and microphones. Mounting screws on the back. Place for power supply, place for USB. A couple of holes there, maybe for microphones. Nothing here. Nothing here. And that seems to be it. Well, I guess the next thing to do, let's plug it in. And plug it in there. Suppose that way is up. So we'll perhaps point it at this camera so we can see as it boots up. It's quite heavy. And of course it has a lot of bezel around it as well. I bet they could have made it lighter and smaller if they tried. It's quite thick as well. Now, speakers on each side and the back. Getting your device ready, just a minute. Please refer to the quick start guide for wall mounting instructions. Searching for networks, registering, loading. Now this is Amazon's smart setup. Because it knows that I was buying it, it already knows my Wi-Fi password and how to log in. Hi, David Emrell, it's registered to me. Tap yes, that's me. Pacific Standard Time, yep. Shouldn't need to ask that, it should know that really. Let me see, yeah. Let's accept the address. Now I want to put it in a group. I don't really want to, I'm just going to skip that for now. Just haven't decided where I'm going to put it. What are we going to call it? Let's call it the show SHW 15. Continue. No, I don't want any of these things. Good. Okay. Brand new product,
As I
of
install
course.
the updates, this device will restart twice.
And I think this is the point where I stop showing you things and now check out things offline and add them to my written review, which you can see by clicking the link in the description. I hope you found this helpful as a quick introduction to the new Amazon Show 15.